Space for Earth, space technology transfer, challenges and opportunities. Here to talk to you, Chiara Chiesa, Interstellars. Enjoy.
Hello, everyone, and thanks for the invitation in this great event. So I will start with telling you what happens in Brescia, Italy in wintertime. So if you're a child, there is one magic month, which is December, and another magic day before Christmas. It's the 13th of December when we celebrate Santa Lucia, the saint of light. And in the morning of Saint Lucia, she brings toys and candies for kids. From that day on, days get longer. She brings lights and wonder. Those days were magic to me, and I clearly remember the toys I asked and received. A remote control toy car, Lego blocks, and a Barbie. Barbie came with a cozy pinky bed, and I love to play with Lego and building tiny houses. But Barbie needed a table and a chair to sit. So it came clear to me I could build it with Lego. How many of you, also following from home and Facebook and YouTube, experience it the same? Things created for a purpose sometimes are very useful for another one. Then, later in my life, I bumped into NASA Space Apps Challenge, and the same sense of wonder got me. We can use space data to build incredible applications and save the world. And from there, I discovered spin-offs and the space sector. The idea of using space boots foam to build car seats and beds and insoles was perfectly normal to me, and also using space technology like the arm of the ISS to boost cardiac surgery with a robotic arm derived from that. And like my little remote car, seemed a great idea to me to use autonomous systems of rovers to enhance autonomous logistics. How many space spin-offs do you know? Transferring technology from the space sector to another is the most exciting thing in the world. You have to use your imagination and help from engineers and overcome many challenges while connecting the dots. You have to understand the needs of a non-space company and find the perfect match with space materials or space products or services. In Europe, we have ESA and other private companies doing it. And in USA, we have, of course, NASA. So the benefits of space tech transfer are food security, for example, and agriculture, health applications, disaster risk reduction, and humanitarian crisis, access to telecommunications, natural resource and environment management. The opportunities are technological development, artificial intelligence and cloud computing, emerging satellites and aerial platforms, and international and regional cooperation. The challenges are the lack of awareness concerning the benefits of space technology, high cost and lack of financial resources to develop space programs. And so also technology skill gap to develop data challenges, data access, geographical constraints for developing space facilities and conducting astronomical research, and regulations and governance of space commons. So I came to Poland and I assisted the ceremony to put the basis to open an ESA BIC in Poland. You really deserve it. In Europe, we have space technology transfer, and it's a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. A great resource that we can use to boost our economy and grow technologically, and this needs the help of many different professionals. How many jobs do you know space can offer? Write what you think in the comments. And so space needs astronauts and engineers, but also business experts, marketing and graphic designers, lawyers, space lawyers, doctors, material experts, space archaeologists, HRs and public relations professionals, space accountants and business developers, and so much more. So the starting point, of course, is education, and challenges like NASA Space Apps Challenge and European Rover Challenge are essential to bring the natural desire of building new solutions, mixing different competencies, for youth to understand the opportunities of space technology transfer so that they can choose to pursue a career in space very early. So start playing and dream big. Na zdrowie.